Hello YouTube, let's go Arenit. Udah jam 6, selamat buka puasa. Gue hari ini mau buka puasa di tempat makan yang udah pernah gue kontenin sebelumnya di Reels. Ini ada makanan asli Lebanon yang buat bener-bener orang Lebanon asli yang udah berpuluh-puluh tahun punya pengalaman di restoran. Bahkan dia punya restoran dulu. Kita mau nyoba makanan Lebanon, ada tawuk. Namanya Tikka Bites Fish Fresh Market. Bentar, yuk. Oke, apa kabar kalian semua? Masih semangat puasanya? Gue mau ngajak lo untuk makan di tempat yang kali ini gue udah sering makan di sini. Seperti yang tadi gue bilang, gue pernah upload di Reels dan ternyata alhamdulillah rame. Akhirnya gue jadi sering balik. Gue jadi punya hubungan yang baik sama ada namanya Pak Pierre sama istrinya. Istrinya orang Indonesia, Pak Pierre orang asli Lebanon. Kita akan ngobrol-ngobrol dan gue pengen ngasih lo lihat di dalam sini ada makanan sespesial itu dan enak. Ya, masuknya dari pintu selatan 1. Nemu warung ASEAN, terus belok kanan. Nah, nanti lo ketemu gudeg koyor, udah lurus aja. Di atasnya tuh lo akan baca plang namanya Tikka Bites. Sebenarnya mereka udah tutup jam 7 kalau bulan puasa juga, karena mereka buka dari siang. Jadi hari ini, alhamdulillah gue udah janjian. Kemarin kesini juga gue telat, ternyata mereka udah tutup. Hello Pierre, how are you?
Hello my friend. You are my guardian angel.
Oh, really? Can you introduce yourself to my audience? What's your name and where are you from? I told them already you're from Lebanon, but you can tell them again from which Lebanon specifically and why do you sell this?
Hi everyone. My name is Pierre Khalif. I am from Lebanon, Beirut, from the capital. My age is 67 years old. I spent all my life doing this business, restaurant, food and beverage.
You used to have restaurant back in Lebanon?
Yes, of course, many, not one, all gone by the war.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When did you start first time?
In Lebanon?
Yeah.
Since when I was 18 years old.
18 years old.
Was in the university, yeah.
Oh,
I
it's not
opened the first, we call it snack. It's like this, but shop.
it's not the family business. You started
No,
yourself.
I started by myself. At the house, I like to cook by myself.
Okay.
Since I was maybe 7 or 8 or 9.
7 or 8?
Yeah, I used to cook to myself.
At first, what did you sell? Tawuk too?
It's mashawi, it's barbecue. Tawuk and beef.
Beef, okay. Kebab,
and
right?
Kebab
It's
and the
sebenarnya-
chicken.
Kebab itu aslinya sebenarnya bukan yang kalau di Indonesia kan itu namanya shawarma kayak gue bilang. Tapi kalau kebab itu yang ditusuk-tusuk daging, nah that's kebab. So what is the difference between Middle Eastern have this food too, right?
Yeah.
Arab, Turkey, and
All of them.
What is different in Lebanon? Is there any?
Look, it's the same. Turkey, Syria, Palestine,
Yeah.
Lebanon, and Jordan, and Iraq. All are the same. They have all this tawuk and kebab.
Oh, okay. Oh,
But
really?
originally, it's Lebanese.
The tawuk.
Tawuk and the shawarma and kebab is Turkish. So everyone doing in his way. Like the Syrian, they like put a lot of spices inside it.
Yes.
Jordanian, they make it a little bit tomato paste
Oh, tomato paste, okay.
to be red.
In Jordan, they tend to have more red color ya.
Yeah,
They
so
put tomato paste.
every
Okay.
country do it the same, but the basic of the food are the same.
From little stall to a restaurant.
Yeah.
How is it?
It was 16 chair, 4 tables. First one I opened. After few months wasn't enough. I took another one, 100 chair. Then wasn't enough. I took another one, 400 chairs.
What did you cook them to make them all?
Oh, it's the Lebanese food is very big. It's like 365 exactly dish.
365. It's the same day
days
in the
of
calendar.
year. Yeah.
So, long story short, what makes you, okay, I'll open another business again in here.
Doing nothing is very boring.
What did you do
Usually
before?
I am home man. I don't go out.
So, you spend all your day and all your time in home, bored, and then born this Tikka Bites.
Yeah, Tikka Bites.
And with all the recipe that you already made before,
Yes,
In
this
Lebanon.
my recipe before 40 years.
40 years.
Yeah.
And you imported the spices, some of them.
Some of them.
Some of them,
yeah.
like saffron,
saffron and sumac.
sumac. Yeah, I think most of them, my audience, isn't really familiar with Lebanese food. At first, when they come here, what do you suggest them to have? And why they should have that?
Look, burger, there is burger anywhere.
Of course, but here-
Shawarma and tawuk.
Shawarma and tawuk.
Tawuk, yeah. Both of them.
Shawarma
Because
and tawuk.
I do it from my heart, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not doing something just for business to make money. I cared when the customers say, when he eating, and I hear this a lot. it's a fortune.
I'm saying that a lot. I'm saying that a lot.
Believe me, I don't want to say all, most of the customers, when they sit here, I hear their enak, all of them. I want somebody to say I didn't like, or it's okay. Everybody say delicious, enak, bagus.
Bagus. Good doesn't mean okay. So tawuk and shawarma. I tried his shawarma before, and ini tepat banget waktunya sama pas gua buka puasa. Jadi kayaknya kalau gua langsung makan 3, ini gua nggak akan bisa gerak sampai besok sore lagi. Kayaknya gua makan 2. Kalau gua kesini ini untuk biasanya tawuknya, of course tawuk, and super burger. You make the patty yourself too.
Yes, of course, everything I made by my hand.
All homemade, no industrial, no lab
Just
and everything.
Australian beef, pure, 80% meat, 20% lemak, and the rest I do.
Untuk harganya sih lo pasti akan kaget ya, karena dengan pengalaman berpuluh-puluh tahun dan bahan-bahan yang premium memang dikirim langsung dari tempatnya, sehingga cita rasanya tuh memenuhi standar ya Pak Pierre.
Something else, I say the shawarma I put 100 gram, and tawuk 100 gram, and the patty is 100 gram.
100 gram.
Believe me,
Yes.
the tawuk is 120 to 30, shawarma 130 to 150, but I say 100.
100. Oh, wow.
And you saw it.
Yeah,
You saw it.
all the way from top to bottom, all chicken. Never in my bed there is no chicken, never. Always.
Most of the time, the sandwich explodes because very fat. I cannot wrap it.
And it's really dripping from the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Because of the juice and the sauce.
foam and the yogurt.
Yeah, and a little bit of everything. Okay.
Juicy, always juicy.
We pretend like I just came here and haven't eat. So after this, I'm going to order 1 tawuk and 2 super burger. 1 for me and 1 for my cameraman for them to bring home.
Okay.
Okay? I'll wait for it. Thank you, Pierre. It's a
Thank you.
pleasure to meet you.
My guardian angel. you know,
Aku salting.
let's say it.
Yeah.
Let's say it.
Yeah.
Because of you, I am now famous.
You are?
On the street. Oh, tikka bites, tikka bites, tikka bites.
Oh, really?
Yeah, nobody knows me before. I was here sitting, okay, I sell, enak, okay, 10, 15 sandwich a day. After you make the reviews, oh my God, oh my God. That's why I always think about you and pray for you.
Amin.
God bless you because
Amin.
you what you did to me.
Amin.
Oh my God.
Amin. It's just my job to inform all of my audience there is a delicious food
Thank you so much.
anywhere, everywhere, including your sticker bites. It's something that you cannot miss every time you go to Bintaro. Not only Fresh Market. You go to Bintaro, you have to come to Fresh Market for this. I promise you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Pleasure.
much.
My pleasure.
you.
My
Thank you.
pleasure. Bedakan tadi bagian tawuknya nggak ambil lagi. Jadi sebelum kita makan yang namanya chicken tawuk, gue mau makan burgernya dulu. Karena selain chicken tawuk kayak emang ini khas banget dari Lebanon, untuk beef burger mereka patty-nya ini pakai real patty, mereka ngolah sendiri real patty. Dan setebel ini cuman 65.000, lo udah dapet burger yang menurut gue ini wah best sih. Ada pickles, ada tomat, selada, sama cheese. Wah gila gede banget coy. 1, 2, 3 yuk, bismillah. Tuh. sumpah. Udah yuk, bismillah. Gila. Patty-nya enak banget. Sumpah bener enak banget, nggak bohong. Nah kalau untuk urusan patty-nya, mereka nggak kalah sama restoran burger yang udah coba di mana-mana. Yang bikin mereka ini paling pemilihan rotinya aja nih. Cuman untuk dagingnya sih ampun ya. First time gue kesini gue nyobain tawuk sama ini kan, sama shawarma. Yang bikin gue jatuh cinta juga salah satunya burgernya juga. Ini enak banget sumpah. Patty-nya tebel, apalagi lo tambah double patty. Anjir. Selamat buka puasa ya. Fresh, no pengawet, no apapun yang lab made, not at all. Jadi kalau lo mau ngitung cheese-nya ya, cuman selain itu bahan-bahannya alami. Kacau, bannya tapi cepet bikin soggy karena bener-bener se-creamy itu. Itu juga enak banget, wow fresh season, just right, ketemu sama bubuk-bubuknya, ketemu sama sausnya. Minum ya, gue selalu pesen kalau di sini tuh ada alpukat kocok sama strawberry kocok. Yang waktu itu pernah gue keluarin juga waktu makan Bu Iin ya, gue minum ini juga ya. Main event nih. Kalau lo ngelihat ini shawarma bentuknya atau orang Indonesia yang lihat kayak gini langsung oh itu kebab. Sebenarnya yang namanya kebab itu aslinya namanya shawarma. Karena apapun yang di wrap kayak gini shawarma. Cuman ini kenapa tawuk? Tawuk itu isinya ayam. Ayam yang udah dikasih kayak semacam ada yogurtnya, ada saffronnya, ada bawang bombay, bawang putih dan lain-lain. Pokoknya ada beberapa bahan-bahan rasi juga yang cuman Bapak Pierre yang tahu. Tapi intinya ini rasanya sebenarnya kayak garlicky, lebih kayak saus bawang putih gitu sama yogurt. Jadi seger-seger bawang putih gurih. Pakai potongan dada tebel-tebel, penuh sampai atas, crispy banget karena finishingnya masih di grill di pan juga sampai dia garing. Bismillah. Wah. Kok bisa sih setiap kita kesini makin enak terus. Coba dah. Ya. Dem yogurt teh. Apa ini cheese ya? Kayak ini cheese deh. Wah. Kalau kayak gini, kalau bisa lo makan while it's fresh karena teksturnya masih garing, ayamnya masih hangat. Nggak apa-apa juga kalau misalnya lo take away, bungkus segala macam nggak masalah. Gua hari ini buka puasa like a champion bro. Habis double beef burger, tawuk. Udah ini, kelar makan sampai sahur nggak makan lagi. Masalahnya apa? Setiap gigitan lo di atas sampai bawah, ayamnya pasti kena. Cuman ya, menurut gua tadi, kenapa gua bilang beef burgernya enak banget tanpa lo kasih saus sambal, tanpa lo kasih tambahan saus, itunya aja tuh udah. Gua bisa makan lahap dari awal sampai akhir abis. Begitu juga dengan tawuk kayak dia punya cita rasa sendiri yang menurut gua semakin gua kesini semakin enak. Kenapa? Karena menurut gua rasanya ketemu sama seleranya orang Indonesia. Tebal banget, gokil. Hati-hati, makannya bakal berantakan banget. Tuh. Untuk rasanya lo bayangin, yogurt ketemu bawang putih dan beberapa bumbu-bumbu pendukung lainnya. Tapi yang paling dominan adalah dari yogurt dan garlic. Warga Bintara atau warga sekitar Bintara berbahagialah karena ada jajanan-jajanan enak banget di Fresh Market. Pinter gue ya, pinter ya. Makannya habis, pinter. Gokil, gue gak nyangka. Lap, hilang. Itu tadi. Next, ini adalah salah satu destinasi wisata kuliner kalau lagi ke Tangsel. Untuk bahan berkualitas ini, rasa seenak ini, harganya amat sangat affordable banget. 50.000, 60.000. Jangan 35 buat tahu. 35 buat tahu. Double patty, 100 gram ngomongnya, tapi pada kenyataannya itu bisa lebih, 130 sampai 150 gram. Pierre said it himself gitu. Maksudnya, he does it with heart every time, with every dish, every cook, every food yang lo makan di sini. Percayalah, it worth your weight. LWK, lo wajib kesini, udah pasti hancur. Ya, alamat lengkap gue taruh di deskripsi. Bukanya dari siang jam 11 sampai jam 7. Tapi kalau misalnya hari biasa jam berapa Tante? Jam 7 pagi sampai jam 3-4 sore. Ada Instagramnya Tika Bites, jadi mungkin bisa DM dulu kalau misalnya mau nanya availability-nya. Senin tutup, jadi Selasa sampai Minggu lo bisa sarapan di sini, makan siang sampai makan sore. Kalau masih ada, jangan lupa subscribe channel Bungkus. Makasih banyak temenin makan. Gua upload 3 kali seminggu rutin, Selasa, Kamis, Sabtu, Selasa, Kamis, Sabtu, Selasa, Kamis, dan Sabtu. Follow Instagram Bungkus Official, TikTok Bungkus Official. 1, 2, 3 peace and to sweet. Bye bye. Selamat menunaikan ibadah puasa.